Odogwu, onye, nmeme, then they call your name. From the east to the west, everybody sing your fame. You know they tire, you know they stop, you just climb, making moves like a king, always in your prime. City where you shine like the sun where they rise. No time for small talk, just to entertain our eyes. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, this your spirit is pure gold. Stories of your greatness yet to be told. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, my brother, my friend. What do you they do? You know they end. Your rhythm they sweet, your vibe they high. Everywhere you go, you catch the sky. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, you carry us along with your laughter. Your song, they don't feel like you. You stand so tall. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, you conquer. See the way the crowd they scatter when you step on the floor. Every girl they look, every boy they roll. You they bring the ginger, you they bring the joy. No be today where you start, you the original boy. From the trenches to the penthouse, you show us the way. From the struggles to blessings at the close of the day. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, you're so strong and true. We they learn from you, everything you do. Onye, nmeme, my brother, my friend. What do you they do? You know they end. Your rhythm they sweet, your vibe they high. Everywhere you go, you catch the sky. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, you carry us along with your laughter. Your song they no feel level you. You stand so tall. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, you conquer. Yeah, 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 yeah. You know because you know be thief, you they walk with your hand, building your empire across the land. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, this is special kind of grace. With a smile on your face, you win the race. The elders they bless you, the youth they clap. No time for gossip, you they close the gap. Odogwu, onye, nmeme, my brother, my friend.